Good morning, y'all. Let's check out the patio garden. I had to relocate the garden, so it is in a different space now. I did not talk while I was recording the video because it was kind of loud outside, y'all. So I'll just show y'all what we got going on in the patio garden and the seedlings that have sprouted. We got a lot going on, as y'all can see, and a lot happening that has grown and sprouted up. All of these items were planted from seed, and I have a crazy garden happening, y'all, at this point. So, yeah, I just wanted to come on and give an update because I know it's been a few weeks. I've been busy. I got a lot happening in my life right now that I'm trying to accomplish. And I had to move my patio garden for that reason. To get away from the haterism, and I don't want to be poisoned. So I moved my garden so that I don't have someone trying to poison my soil and poison my plants. But again, y'all can see I got a lot happening. Cucumbers, that's like a cucumber plant, I believe, or a squash, I don't know. Some collard greens. We got onions growing up, y'all. We got cilantro out there. This is like potatoes and garlic that I planted in there that have come up. On this side, we got some Swiss chard, we got lettuce, we got bean plants. I planted okra over here. And I don't want to talk y'all to death, but I just wanted to come on and give y'all an update because, like I said, I haven't given you an update in a few weeks because I've been very busy trying to accomplish a lot in my life at this point. Please go ahead and hit that like, share, and subscribe button so that you'll be notified each and every time I post. I'd like to thank you for watching my video today, and hopefully you've planted seeds to grow a patio garden this year as well, and we can grow our gardens together and share in the harvest. At late summer, early fall, we should have some harvest. And actually right now we got some harvest. Y'all can see that cilantro. I did clip it. That plant is from last year. That's a hot pepper plant from last year that I still have. But thank you for watching, and go ahead and hit that subscribe. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye.